What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and thanks again for subscribing. If you have not done so, please hit that subscribe button. It does help the channel grow. But first, let's get into Cardano. We're going to talk today on this video what Cardano is doing on the charts, but also we're going to talk about what is going on as 400 million Cardano tokens have been staked since early December. So we're going to get into that. I'm going to tell you guys how I feel about Cardano, as well as look at some of the price impact on the chart as it relates to Cardano. So with that being said, let's get down to it. Let's take a quick look into the crypto bubbles. You can see Bitcoin up almost 2% on the day, so trending very well for the rest of the market. We're seeing basically all cryptos following Bitcoin's lead on the precipice of the State of the Union tonight, as well as a busy February as it relates to the Fed and the monetary policy, kind of impacting the whole macroeconomic landscape. February will be a huge month just to see in which direction the Federal Reserve and Jerome Powell, and just the sentiment we are getting across the board from our Treasury. Okay, so when we talk about Cardano, currently trading at 40 cents, we have busted out and got back into the fours. Okay, so very huge in terms of a psychological, basically, line, if you will, where they have crossed that boundary back into the 4-0 level. All right, I've been trading Cardano basically since its all-time highs, since before the all-time highs, and it has been a very turbulent ride for Cardano investors. However, having a very strong month, up almost 40% at 39.3%. It's nice to see some recovery when we get it. All right, so when we talk about what is going on with this tokens being staked since early December, let's look at what is going on by a report from Staking Rewards, as 400 million Cardano tokens have been staked since early December. All right, so now that number has grown to 25.5 billion tokens. All right, so a huge amount of Cardano tokens have been staked overall. As well, let's take a look at how this relationship is with the staking, the flow of staked tokens versus the price. Okay, so you can see right here, if you look at the arrow, you can see the price in the US dollars has basically gone from above 40 cents down into the 20s and back up to the 40 cents level as we currently stand, and as well as the staking flows have basically been correlated by a higher price is indicative of having more tokens, more of a higher staked flow of tokens. All right, and as these staking flows go into the red, it crossed over into the negative staking. You are seeing basically the liquidations of Cardano, and the price point goes into the red. All right, and as the token price climbs, you're seeing more and more staking flows into the green. So it's showing the user activity as it relates to Cardano, and why we are seeing a price impact correlate with that. Okay, now this is what's interesting. If you looked at the stake tokens right here, as the days go on, more and more stake tokens are increasing. We are seeing a nice trend up into the price in US dollars. All right, so there is basically a difference between back in October, November, and December, when we were going through high times of volatility and fear, and kind of right now we're seeing more people staking Cardano, which kind of indicates that maybe some of that certainty and fear is being restored within crypto and Cardano. All right, so that is just what I wanted to illustrate for you guys. All right, so when we talk about this, despite the increase in stake tokens, that market cap of total stake token volume is basically 9% down since October, which was the start of that graph that I shared with you guys. All right, so when we talk about the growth rate outperforming Cardano's market cap since the end of December, that is signaling a positive outlook for Cardano holder confidence, as I said. So it is important to note this stuff, guys, because staking is indicative to what the climate in the community is surrounding a token. All right, and that is basically just going to validate what is going on within Cardano, within any crypto for that matter. Okay, so that is what I got for you guys. All right, not financial advice. Please do your own research with everything surrounding crypto and financial. But I wanted to share this with you guys just to show you that Cardano holder confidence is on the rise, and it has been a very good start to 2023. So let me know down below in the comments, are you guys staking Cardano? How do you feel about the crypto moving forward? And I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button if you have not done so already, and we will see you all in the next video.